Hello guys, welcome back to Coins King technical analysis videos. And as you know that this is our candlestick chart pattern series if you're following me from my first video. So let's jump straight into our today's topic without wasting your time. And today's topic is about hammer candlestick pattern. Just because of that you click this video because you want to actually know about what is hammer candlestick pattern. Yes, in this video we're going to discuss about some of the important questions that might be stuck in your mind regarding hammer candlestick pattern. So please stick hard to this video. In this video we're going to discuss what is the meaning, what is the interpretation of hammer candlestick pattern, how to recognize hammer candlestick pattern, and most importantly we're going to discuss how to trade hammer candlestick pattern. So let's get started. First of all, let's have a look at the definition of hammer. What is hammer candlestick pattern? The hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that forms during a downtrend. For example, if you're looking at a chart of different time frames depending upon you, for example, you are looking at a chart of 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 4 hours, whatever the chart you are looking at, whatever the time frame you set to look at the chart, when there is a hammer candlestick at the bottom of a downtrend, of a long downtrend, then there is a very good signal, then that is a very good confirmation actually for you that now bullish reversal pattern gonna be happen in an upcoming time frame. You can say that it is named because the market is hammering out a bottom when price is falling. Hammer signal that the bottom is near and price will start rising again. Okay, so now the most important question, the most important point, that how to recognize the hammer candlestick pattern in a chart. There is 3 important points that every newcomer, every new trader needs to keep that in his mind, that by using those 3 points you can easily recognize hammer candlestick pattern. So first of all, the long shadow is about 2 to 3 times of a real body. Yes, this is the real body. Actually the body of a candlestick is also said to be as a real body, and its lower wick must be 2 to 3x in size than its real body. Then the candle is said to be as hammer candlestick. Okay, so now little or no upper shadow. The second point is little or no upper shadow. Just focus this candlestick, there is no upper shadow. You can say that is a hammer candlestick pattern, but in some cases there is a upper high, and that high must be smaller in size. Then you can say that is hammer candlestick pattern. Okay, now the question might be in your mind, then what is the difference between the DOJI candlestick pattern and a hammer candlestick pattern? The basic difference between both of them, that hammer candlestick pattern has a body but smaller in size, while the DOJI candlestick pattern has no body. It has same open and close, but if you look at the hammer candlestick pattern, then if the market suppose let's open from this level, then it must close it itself very near to its opening price. Then you can say that is a hammer candlestick pattern because the hammer has a very small body. Okay, the last point, the most important point, the last but not least, actually you can say the color of a real body is not important. For example, this is a red candle, as we know that is a bearish candle, and this is a green candle, as we know that is a bullish candle. Doesn't matter whatever the color is of the candle, the interpretation of both the candles is same. The interpretation is similar for both of them, that now trend reversal pattern gonna be happen in an upcoming movement, you can say. Okay, if you watch my previous video of DOJI candlestick pattern, then you can easily know that it just looks like the dragonfly DOJI candlestick pattern. But if you haven't watched this video, then the link of that video is given below in the description. Please hit the link below given in the description and watch that video till end to get your concept clear about the dragonfly DOJI and a hammer candlestick pattern, because I don't want to discuss now about DOJI candlestick pattern. As you know that I already uploaded the video regarding DOJI candlestick pattern on my YouTube channel. So now if we look at the chart, there was a very long downtrend. Let's suppose if that candle was of 1 hour, then that was a very long downtrend for a very long time, and at the bottom of that downtrend there is a hammer candlestick pattern. And now at that level the trader can assume, can predict that now might be there is a possibility that market gonna take a reverse from that level. Just because you see a hammer form in a downtrend doesn't mean you automatically place a buy order. More bullish confirmation is needed before it's safe to pull the trigger. Okay, here is another example for you, that here was a very beautiful downtrend. A long bearish candle was happening in a downtrend and suddenly hammered out. Suddenly the hammer candlestick pattern happens, and now we can get an idea that market will move in an uptrend, and exactly what happened, market goes up. As we know that market doesn't always move just like this, boom, market always moves like this, as the happening in this chart, and exactly that is an uptrend we can see. Okay guys, hammer doesn't always stop a downtrend. Look at the news surrounding that stock, because emotions affect price movement. The stock price is a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. Charts are full of bullish candlesticks and bearish candlesticks. A hammer candle pattern forms when a base is being hammered out, whereas DOJI candlesticks shows indecision. Hammer candlesticks are reversal candles. Getting confirmation is always good though. A high wave candlestick or a long ledger doji candlestick could be forming instead of a hammer candle. That's why you can wait for confirmation or look at the pattern instead of getting hung up on what each candle is. You can't name any of the candle until that particular time frame has been passed away. You can't name any of the candle. You must needs to wait until the candle completes its shape, then you can name that particular candle. Okay, hammer candles usually form around support levels, which is why you should know how to draw support and resistance. Don't worry if you don't know, because in an upcoming video we'll definitely discuss about the resistance, supports, and even about different chart patterns like a symmetrical triangle. A lot of other patterns are there, we'll definitely discuss in an upcoming videos, and most importantly the indicators. Okay, the simple moving average formula is moving average, that is used a lot for this as well. Trading the trend is something every trader does. There are creature of habits. They trade patterns, trends, and support and resistance. That's why it's important that every trader learns this. Hammer candlestick can be used with swing trading techniques or day trading strategies that work. Don't know if you haven't heard of those terms, swing trading or day trading strategies, because we'll definitely discuss in an upcoming video. So please hit the subscribe button. The key is study and practice. If you have ever played an instrument, you know how practicing battles your ability. Most time as a kid you would rather be playing instead of practicing, but your mom made you. The same can be said for stock market. You learn so much by studying and then practicing, even if you would rather be watching a movie. So friend, here is a motivational quote image for you that I have felt over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeeded. Failure is the 7-letter word which irritates us several times to move forward in life. We will feel uncomfortable or unhappy at that time, but if we take it happily and work hard on our failure, definitely we will be in the first word of failure, that is F, means first. A lot of very successful men and women are self-educated but had ambition, a great idea, creativity. Some were altruistic and went out and did great things quietly for the poor and needy here and abroad. So these kind of people are my heroes. Success to me is happiness and making the lives of others better. That's why I'm going to publish the whole technical analysis series on this YouTube channel free of cost, because I want all of you to be happy. So friends, we'll meet in the next video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed me yet on YouTube, then please hit the red color subscribe button and turn that red color into a gray one, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest updates from me. So friends, join me on a Telegram also. The link is given below in the description. Just follow that link and join me on a Telegram, because you can get the first updates on a Telegram from me regarding particular pairs, regarding cryptocurrency, regarding stocks, forex, whatever you are trading on. You will get news, you will get updates on that Telegram channel. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye and take care.